Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix or solve a TikTok maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later. Probably you'll be able to see something like that, basically, right? After you add the number. So how do we fix it? One of the ways to actually fix it is in here it says I'm on Android and I reset my network settings on my phone, and then you installed the TikTok, and it worked for iPhone, right? The same solution. So first of all, what you need to do before you do anything, go ahead to your settings, right? In your settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into my general. Sorry, this is a control setting, and here in the general you're gonna see many tools. Just go ahead and click transfer or reset iPhone, and by clicking reset all settings on your iPhone, you will reset all of your modified settings into the default mode. So basically you're gonna be able to get back to it later. And secondly, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the general again, go ahead to the iPhone storage, and before you do anything, just scroll a little bit down until you find the TikTok app right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna delete the app instead of offloading the app, so you can reinstall it again, and basically you'll be able to get back to it later. So just don't try many attempts at once. Just give it a time, because it's a machine that is operating on it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.